Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Black Country Homebrew. It's a bit of a different one today. So basically, I think it was Thursday night, I'd had a few beers and I decided that I was going to buy a keg. So it's turned up today. It's from BrewKegTap, it's their Sodastream Keg. Don't really have the space at the moment for a full CO2 bottle, so I thought, well, Sodastream, wouldn't it be alright? So basically in this video, I think we're just going to go through the unboxing, see what you get. I think altogether it came to about £123 or something. I did spend the extra £5 and get the superior reconditioned keg. However, there was options on there. I think you could pay an extra 20 quid and get another, like literally a brand new keg and stuff. So yeah, let's crack it open. So basically came in two boxes. This one, which I'm guessing's got the regulator in, etc. And then this one here, which is clearly the keg, is a 19 litre keg. So I think we'll probably start with this one first. I do apologise, I've never done an unboxing video or anything like that in the past. So, this was meant to be due for delivery yesterday, which it was saying on DPD. So, when I got home from work, it still hadn't turned up. So, I emailed BrewKegTap and they got back to me pretty much straight away and said the collection day on Friday. Basically DPD never turned up, so it actually got collected yesterday and it was here first thing this morning. So I think it literally got delivered at like 8:30 this morning. So so yeah, in top you got your packaging, just down that down there. I don't know how well you can see, but here's the corny keg. So as I say, this is their superior keg. I mean, you can tell it's been used, but overall, it's not too bad at all. So the rubber seam's in decent condition. On top, looks alright. There's a few little things. Don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, but there's a few little marks on it. It practically looks brand new. Here's the top. As you can see, not too shabby. Yeah, I think they pressurise it. Yeah, so as you can see, it is pressurised, so it doesn't look like it's leaking anything. So I think with the refurb kegs, I actually replace all the seals and do a good check all over it. But yeah, I'm pleased with that. I don't know why in my head I've got a 19 litre keg a lot bigger than this. That's actually perfect. Just reading the front, it's a Coca-Cola, ex-Coca-Cola keg. So, brilliant. So that's the first box. The next box here. Let's see what we got in here. I just decided to get a keg because I've always bottled, and I bought a Keg King chubby fermenter. So I thought, well, if I can get a keg, then I can do direct, no oxygen transfer into a keg and potentially get some better beer. But so what do we have in here? BrewKegTap sticker. It's pretty cool. Here's my packing slip. So this was the mobile corny keg Sodastream kit with the deluxe party tap. And as I said, I paid the extra £5 for the superior keg. So Yeah, it was £117.50 for the actual set, and then the extra £5 for the superior keg. But that's your invoice in there. Beer line, gas line. And your party hose. And some connectors. I'm going to have to look and see how all this works because I literally have no idea, but obviously that's your party line. You disperse the beer out of your keg when it's ready. Some connectors. So I'm going to have to look into how you put all this together because I literally have no idea about kegs at all, which makes it sound like a stupid purchase, but I'm sure I can figure it out. And here is the regulator. Get this box out of the way. So it is the Mark IV regulator. See what it's like inside. Instructions. What's this come with? So that is what looks like the Sodastream adapter for the Sodastream bottle. And then here, another one of those connectors. Here's the actual regulator itself. Got that bit. And there's the regulator there. So yeah, as I said, I'm going to have to figure out how to put all this together. I've watched a few videos and I think I've got a little idea, to be fair, but on a whole, never used a keg, never worked in the bar industry. But I just thought, for homebrew, it's just a bit better, you know, you've got your mates round, you can get it in a fridge. I've got a spare fridge in the garage and disperse from there. And I don't know if the quality is going to be better, I'm not really sure, but yeah, I just thought for what I do, the Sodastream will be perfect. I mean, everyone who seems to get a Sodastream adapter first ends up getting a regular CO2 bottle, so we'll see how that works out. But down the line, Sodastream will do for now. But yeah, brilliant service from BrewKegTap, as I said. I emailed them yesterday and they got back to me straight away. I don't think this is badly priced at all. So yeah, I've got a Nectaron Pale Ale from Dark Rock, which is finished fermenting, so that's probably going to be the first beer into the keg. I might record that depending on how I'll get on, but if not, I'll talk about the experience on the tasting video for that beer. So yeah, that's everything. Thanks for watching. There's your unboxing on the BrewKegTap Sodastream Kit. Cheers.